I just closed my Microsoft trade and realized $565 in pure profit, which I made absolutely passive trading my strategy, the premium cycle. As we can see here, Microsoft is up 3.6% in the day. So Microsoft had a really nice spike today. And that's why I decided to close out on a cash secured put, which I had running on Microsoft early. And I'm gonna jump over to the chart and show you guys what this looks like. So as always, I'm gonna show you guys a screenshot here in this video as a proof of this trade, because as you know, I am the most transparent options trader here on YouTube. And on the 25th of June, I decided to sell a cash secured put on Microsoft because as we can see here, on the 25th, Microsoft had a massive drop in its stock. And if we look at the RSI as well, we can see that it was massively oversold down here on the 25th. And I sold a $340 strike cash secured put, which is going to be all the way down here. And that commits me to possibly buy 100 shares of Microsoft on a certain expiration date if Microsoft ever drops to $340. And this was a huge opportunity on the 25th, because if we look on the 1-year chart, we can see that Microsoft has a really nice and strong support right here around $350. So if Microsoft would have ever dropped to my strike price at $340, I feel really comfortable buying 100 shares of Microsoft, because that is a really good price to own Microsoft at. And then I would just move on and sell covered calls on that position, where I commit myself to possibly sell it to the upside once again. But as we can see here, Microsoft decided to go up massively just a few days later after I sold that cash secured put down here. That's why I decided to buy it back early. So in the beginning, I originally collected $720 in premium for that commitment to possibly buy it if it drops down here. But since it went up so far, just 6 days later now, as I'm recording this video 6 days later, it is so unlikely that it's gonna drop all the way from $380 down to $340. So the option became worth less and I was able to buy it back cheaper. And that's why I realized a profit of $565, which is going to be 1.66% return on my capital. And if we calculate that for 1 month, that's going to be an 8.3% return per month realized on this trade. So as you guys can see, it is very possible to make a safe passive income trading options with my strategy, the premium cycle. And if you guys are interested and you have at least 10,000 US dollars in capital, then click the link in my bio. It will lead you to my community where I have a full video course for you guys so you understand the strategy, the premium cycle in detail. And I'm also sharing my live trades just like this one there with you guys so you can benefit from that. So click the link and I will see you guys there.